Panhandle of Nebraska, southeastern Goshen County in southeast Wyoming, until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Radar estimates that 3 to 4 inches of rain has fallen over southeast Goshen and west central Scotts Bluff counties from Hawk Springs Recreation Area to Stegall. Additional thunderstorms will move over the affected area and will produce an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain. Thunderstorms will also move northeast into central Scotts Bluff County and will produce similar rainfall amounts. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Scotts Bluff, Garing, Hawk Springs Campground, Hawk Springs Recreation Area, Hubbard Hill, LaGrange, Lake Alice, Lyman, Mitchell, Laurel, Scotts Bluff National Monument, Scotts Bluff Fairport, Stegall and Terrytown. This also includes Eagle Nest Draw in Kiowa Creek in western Scotts Bluff County and Rob Draw in southeast Goshen County. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot or in a vehicle. This is a flash flood bulletin.